Welcome to Warrior Work. I'm Coach Hill. Today we're just going to show you a few double stick integrative arts basics. All these basics, again, there's no advanced techniques. There's only basics. There's only basics and advanced basics. So everything is an inward circle, outward circle, straight line. So we're going to show you a kind of a fun double stick drill to work on, just to help you with your right brain, left brain coordination. And it's sort of a combination offensive, defensive. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my right hand, downward 45, outward circle. My left hand's continuing with an inward circle here as I turn and I come with an upward 45, and I step again, and here's my outward circle, downward 45, outward circle, inward circle, upward 45, outward circle. Inward circle. So again, think in terms of inward circles, outward circles. Downward 45, and outward circle, inward circle. Upward 45, outward circle. So the motion becomes a fluid walking. I might walk this way a few times with Radanda, and then I turn and I do my two upward 45s for this angle here. And then I continue on. So it allows me to, and I'll come back this direction. So it allows me to have an advancing offensive motion. Again, I can use my Radanda, which are another integrative arts basics. Or I can change direction, coming up through the groin, through the rib. These strides can be low or high, whatever target is on at 45. Come back around, this can be coming down on the head. Again, this is still coming up here. Turning, downward, circle, upward 45. Again, as you can see, I'm just turning, twirling, left, right. And again, I can slow it down. I can change my angles to where I'm making it, where I'm just doing my upward 45s now. And again, I change it. So now I'm changing my direction, so I'm coming, this advancing. I can take a few steps, or however I want to move it. So again, it's kind of a fun little drill. You want to start it off slow. Think about outward circles, inward circles. Outward circles, downward 45, straight. Those downward 45s are really straight lines. Okay. Outward circle coming towards you, downward 45. Okay. Inward circles, and those inward circles become upward 45. On this end, again, upward 45s are just two straight lines. One of the things you also want to think about is you want to be thinking hammer, whether you're coming up, hammer, or down, up or down. You're going to be thinking hammer, or you're coming sideways, hammer. Whether I'm coming this way, hammer. So from the front, again, if I'm just doing it in position, circling, outward circle, downward 45, or downward X. Inward circle, upward 45. That goes back to windmill arms if you put those together. Inward circle, downward 45, upward circle. So you can see again, I have an outward circle here, inward circle here, upward 45, downward circle. Breaking these down into slow motion terms can be tricky, but again, you want to look for those patterns. The outward circle and the inward circle are always happening right here. Outward circle, inward circle. The downward 45 is happening on my right. I draw a big board here. I'm thinking of that I'm striking through that. Where my target is on this side, I think, again, big square board, 9 o'clock, striking through it. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So again, these positions here, when I'm facing you, are coming to my 3 and my 9. When I'm actually walking with them, they're coming to my 12 and my 6. Okay? So again, I'm coming right down on the head here, right down on the head here. Striking up through the groin here, up through the groin or head. Here, coming down through the head. Here, it could be through the rib, the elbow, coming down the head. So again, all these exercises, these can be a lot of fun. Again, when you first start doing them and you feel really uncoordinated, just keep practicing. Practice slowly, speed it up, work for your form. Increase your power, increase your speed, until it falls apart, your control falls apart, and then go back to step 1 again. So we always work on those 4 elements: form, power, speed, and control. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time on Warrior Work.